How to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 for free. Want to enjoy the World Cup without paying? Here are the safe legal ways to watch for free. First is through free to air TV. Many countries air selected matches on free TV. Check local broadcasters for schedules. Second, YouTube free preview. FIFA streams the first 10 minutes of every match on YouTube, perfect for sampling games. Third, Alep Arena YouTube channel. Alep Arena offers 40 selected matches free, plus highlights and behind the scene clips. And fourth, FIFA Plus app. Download the FIFA Plus, it's free and gives highlights, replays, and some live matches. Fifth, local watch parties. Join community watch parties at sports bars or malls. Free entry plus the fun of cheering together.